Have you ever dreamed of turning your hobby into a successful business? Many people have a passion or talent that they enjoy as a hobby, but they don't realize that they can actually turn it into a thriving business. If this sounds like you, then you're in luck. In this guide, we will provide you with some tips on how to turn your hobby into a thriving business. The first step in turning your hobby into a business is to identify your niche. What is it that you are passionate about? What is it that sets you apart from others? Once you have identified your niche, you can begin to develop a business plan. This plan should outline your goals, target market, competition, and financial projections. Taking the time to lay out a detailed plan will help give you a roadmap for success. Next, you will need to start building your brand. This means creating a name, logo, and overall image for your business. Your brand should reflect your unique style and personality, and should also resonate with your target market. Building a strong brand will help you stand out in a crowded marketplace and will make it easier for customers to remember and recognize your business. Once you have your brand in place, it's time to start marketing your business. This can be done through social media, a website, and other online platforms. You can also consider attending local fairs, markets, or trade shows to showcase your products or services. The key to successful marketing is consistency and perseverance. You need to constantly promote your business and engage with potential customers in order to build a loyal following. As your business begins to grow, it's important to stay organized and focused. This means keeping track of your finances, managing your time effectively, and continually seeking out new opportunities for growth. It may also be beneficial to seek out mentorship or guidance from others who have successfully turned their hobbies into thriving businesses. In conclusion, turning your hobby into a thriving business is certainly possible with the right mindset and strategic approach. By identifying your niche, developing a strong brand, marketing effectively, and staying organized, you can turn your passion into a successful business. So why wait? Start turning your hobby into a business today.